Hi everyone! Hello and welcome. My name is Jovana and today we are going to do some bedtime yoga. When you had a rough day or you're just starting one and you feel like staying in bed, we are doing a short practice to ease into our bodies and feel relaxed. Why don't we get started? You can grab yourself a blankie and a pillow if you would like. And if you feel like you can match my cute slippers, you can bring them too. We will begin seated. You can choose any comfortable seat of your choice. Find this grounding posture. Straighten your back and take a deep inhale and exhale to arrive at this practice. We'll inhale to lengthen our spine, look up, and exhale, we twist to the left. Your right hand comes to the left knee and you look behind. If you notice you're gripping in your shoulder, relax it. There is no pushing or forcing. Continue breathing here. And we come back to center. We inhale one more time. And exhale to the right. See if this side is any different. And breathe. We come back to center. We will do a couple of seated cat and cow. We'll inhale to lengthen our necks. Look up, chest forward, shoulders back. Exhale to round the spine. Look towards your belly button, chin to chest. Inhale, chest forward, shoulders back. Look up. Exhale, round the spine. Look towards your belly button. 2 more times. Inhale. Feel the front of your body stretch, your neck stretch. Exhale. Feel the back side of your body stretch. We come back to center. Awesome. Here we will come to our knees. We place them wide as the yoga mat.
You can strengthen your arms and
can
lower your
sit
head
on our
down
feet.
on the pillow.
You can place the pillow
and
if you
continue
like.
to breathe. Take a deep breath in your belly. Relax and exhale out. We'll stay here for a couple of breaths.
We come back up. We'll do a little stretch to our sides here. So from the center, we will walk our hands to the right as far as they go. And lower your head down. You can still use your pillow if you like. Your forehead is on the pillow or on the floor, on the mat. And you're breathing into the stretch. Raise your head up and we walk to the other side. I'm going to try this side with a pillow. Your hands are straight. Your forehead is down. That feels good. Continue breathing into the stretch on the right side. Awesome. We come back to center and we find our ways to the back. We can use the pillow to support ourselves and bring the blanket close. We're gonna need it soon. Lay down on your back. Your knees are bent. We'll cross the right leg over the left knee and interlace the fingers behind the left thigh. Create half of a figure four or a reclined pigeon. We stay here for a few breaths. And then release the palms, place the feet down, and we switch. Cross the left ankle on the right thigh and interlace the fingers. Back thigh, the back of your right thigh. And enjoy the stretch on the left hip. Breathe into your hip crease. Awesome. Bring your legs down. We will hug our knees into the chest here and rock gently side to side. And here you will either bend your knees and use your palms to push your knees towards your armpit, or if you can, reach for your feet. And we are in happy baby pose, because who isn't happy to go to bed? Here you can do what babies do and gently sway side to side. You can extend one leg and then the other and feel the stretch of your hamstrings. You can stretch both legs if you want. And then we find a moment of stillness. Bring your legs back to the chest. Extend one leg. Hold the right knee. Engage both feet. And then we will cross it over to the left and look towards the right. Right arm is straight. I might do yoga with pillow every time from now on. We come back to center. Straighten the right leg. Bring the left knee to left shoulder. Engage both feet. See if your hip wants to come up. You can use the right palm to bring it down. And then we grab the left knee with the right hand and bring it towards the right. You look towards your left hand, in my case, to my cutest shoes. And we come back to center. Lay down on your back. If you have a blankie, use it to cover yourself up. Or a towel, whatever you have handy, a scarf. And we relax. Our feet is falling outwards. Palms are facing up. We are feeling supported and grounded. Feel where your body touches the floor, touches the mat. Feel gratitude for today's practice, for taking a moment to slow down. For being easy to yourself, gentle and kind. We will wrap our palms to create some heat. Place them to cup your eyes. Let them relax. You've done a lot today, and now it has come the time to rest. Feel your body sinking into the ground. Cup your ears. Take a deep breath in and out. Relax your senses. Place your palms behind your neck. Give it a little squeeze. You deserve some self-love and massage. And then find your palms to touch each other. Place them on top of your forehead and your third eye. We will take one more deep breath together. And exhale everything out. Thank yourself for being here, for taking this moment. And I thank you for joining me today's practice. Hope to see you back again. Namaste.